So in my hand, I've got two different kinds of clams here. So you can see on either side here, we have angel wing clams. And then right in the middle, we have a cockle clam. And they're both gonna do the same type of thing, where they'll bury themselves in this sandy substrate, and they'll bury themselves down and they'll stick out this siphon tube. And that siphon is gonna suck in all the different kinds of planktonic and detritus matter. And they suck that in, they grind up all the nutrients and spit out the clean stuff when they're done. And this one actually has a bunch of little acorn barnacles growing on the outside. And right here, this is an old knobbed whelk shell. And these knobbed whelks are gastropods. So they're like snails. And these are actually one of the bigger predators for our oyster shipper. This actually isn't inhabited by a whelk right now. This has got a hermit crab living inside of it. It's probably buried down a little too far for y'all to see right now. But a lot of the times when these knobbed whelk shells, when the whelks die, these shells will sit down at the bottom and they're gonna remain vacant until a growing hermit crab spies this open space, and he'll crawl inside because this is prime real estate. Yeah. So these are some of the most common shells that you'll find out here on Vanishing Island.